Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is February the 11th, and I just wanted to show you a little experiment that I've started. And so this is going to be my first kind of little dive into actual hydroponics. And I'll just lift this up so you can see this a little bit better. I don't want it spilling on me here. But you can see I've got water mixed in with some nutrient. Now I've shown this nutrient before. I'll just bring it in on camera here so you can see it right here. Flip it over. Where's the English side? There we go. Right there. So that's what I'm using. This here, it is a very weak dilution. It says here for household plants 2 ml per gallon, or outdoor gardens 4 ml per gallon. Anyway, so I used just a little bit less than a teaspoon in a gallon of water, which is about 3.78 liters. But anyway, so that's the stuff that I'm using. So what I did was I just started these off in these little pods right in here that you can get on Amazon. I'm not really sure what they're called, little grow pods. They are for hydroponic systems for the most part, I guess. If I just pull one out, well, they're all stuck together here, but you can see there's a, I'm going to flip it up here. Let me just get it out so I can show you here. So here we are. I'm just going to show you there. You can see all the roots here. So coming along really nicely. So I just got them in there, and then the roots are coming out, and I just have enough of that solution touching the bottom so that you can actually see that they're pulling up the nutrient for the roots. So there we go, just a fast one, and just a little bit of an experiment. If I get a little bit more progress going in the positive way, then I'll come back. But that's it for today. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.